I guess here 30 minus 5 plus 3 is 8 times 2 power 2. Here 30 minus 8 is 22 times 2 power 2. Here 22 times 2 power 2 is 4. Here 22 times 4 is 88 is the wrong answer. Here as per this order of operation, this 88 is the wrong answer. Here we are going to introduce this PEMDAS rule from order of operation. This is a bracket, higher priority. This is exponent. M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. Here multiplication divisions are equal priority. Also this addition subtractions are equal priority. For this equal priority, we are going to introduce another rule called left to right in the problem. Now we are going to solve this problem in correct way by using this order of operations PEMDAS. Here, as per this order of operations, PEMDAS, the bracket is higher priority. So we have to do this bracket before this operation here. 30 minus 5 plus 3 is 8 times 2 power 2. The next priority is exponent. We have exponent here is 2 power 2. So we have to do this before this operation here. 30 minus 8 times 2 power 2 is 4. Here we have subtraction and multiplication. Multiplication is higher priority, that is subtraction. So we have to do this multiplication before this subtraction here. 30 minus here 8 times 4 is 32. Here 30 minus 32 is negative 2 is the correct answer.